Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired absolutely stunning Mini Cooper S, finished in the best colour, electric blue. It's the facelift model, very low mileage, just over 30,000 miles guaranteed, just been serviced, just been MOT'd, drives and looks absolutely fantastic, really been well looked after. Twin exhausts, nice compressed body styling kit. Look at that, it is absolutely, I don't use this word much, nearly immaculate. Boot area, lovely condition. Parcel shelf, all the shuts there, immaculate. Electric window and mirrors, standard. Half leather interior. High spec. It's only done 30,588 miles. We've got satellite navigation, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, Bluetooth, media pack, aircon, AUX USB, 6-speed gearbox, all your iDrive and your media pack down there. Menu, different driving styles. Amazing condition. It's got a chili pack as well. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For quite any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.